reception on your left hand side, and as you keep going forward and down some steps to the first bar. One thing about this hotel is it does have a lot of steps, so you might say it's not that suited to people with mobility difficulties. This is the next set of steps that you've got, which there are 52 of. We've counted both up and down, and they take you down to the main pool. So here we are, Hotel Inspire, just arrived after a nice 4-and-a-bit-hour flight with TUI from London Stansted. Just checked in, and before we go any further and unpack, we thought we'd just put the camera around the room and give you a quick insight before we make it all messy to what it actually looks like. We're in room 9034. And it's all nice and clean, kitted out with bathrobes, slippers, all nice, clean, tidy, all amenities, shower gels, hair conditioner, everything that you could possibly want, and towels all included. Looking good for the bathroom. And so just a quick look round before we unpack, and then we'll review again as our week here progresses. Nice big 2-door balcony room with large TV, fully furnished with sofa, armchair, king size bed, absolutely everything that you could possibly want in this room. 2 doors leading out onto a balcony / terrace with great views. Sea views, front facing the hotel, but you've still got a sea view, but the balcony is like huge, and you can just go up and round the corner and you can actually see how big it is. As I say, it's the front of the hotel, so you may think it's a bit noisy, or it sounds a bit noisy. But we'll see how we go, and I don't think it's going to be too bad. And we are on the top floor, as I say, room 9034. But great views, and so far we are really impressed. Just going back now, still on the balcony, but in the second door back into the room. There's the big super king bed, and as I say, this room has got everything that you could possibly want. But before we go, I will just show you that we've got tea and coffee making facilities, and in the fridge, as we are all inclusive on the Essentia suite, first round of drinks are complimentary, but if you want them replaced, then that goes on to your hotel room bill. But so far so good, and What an impressive room. Just a note that included in the Essentia suite is a free safety deposit box, which is very simple to use, so that's a good thing. You've got USB chargers on your sockets, so if you forget your USB adapter, not to worry, because you've got built-in USB sockets. So the time is 7:44, Wednesday the 17th of December. Just woken up, so thought I'd just show you the view from our double balcony. So apart from a little bit of noise from construction on the road, not too much of a bad view. And right over in the very distance you can see snow on top of the hilltops. Yeah, not a bad view, is it? This is just one of 3 pools that the hotel have got. This is the main one. I'm not sure of the length, but it's certainly some distance to either end. And just as we go round, just pointing out that the depth throughout is a maximum of 1.2 metres. So not too deep, but plenty long enough for you to have a good swim. Just a few words about sunbeds. Filming this area here, there are lots of sunbeds all around the hotel on all different levels, and they're really quite easily, readily available and easy to book off the hotel's app. and they're all referenced by their individual 3-digit number that you can see. So no problem with Sunbeds whatsoever, and certainly no problem to book them, and then they're yours for the day, which is a really good system that this hotel have got in place. So as we come to the end of a fantastic week away in this really, really nice hotel at the Princess Inspire Costa Adeje, Tenerife, we're going home tomorrow just in time for Christmas. Would we come back here again next year? And the answer is definitely yes. In summary, this hotel offers such a lot and is such good quality. Yeah, we would definitely like to come back. I mean, the process from the checking in, the wristband idea is really good, and it's not like your plastic wristband. This is quite a thin layered wristband that you hardly notice on your wrist. That if you're all inclusive or indeed half board, it's just tapped by the staff every time you want something, from drinks to meals, etc. So it's really good. Booking of Sunbeds, we found it so easy via the app. So no qualms with booking of Sunbeds, which I mentioned earlier in the review. There are plenty of. Cleaning, daily cleaning, housekeeping is spot on. Entertainment is okay. It's not the best, in all fairness, but it's okay. All the bars are really good, and all you got to do is take a seat, and a member of staff will come and take your order in quick time. So that's really good. You're eating the food on site in the hotel is really good, and indeed whichever restaurant from the food market to the one restaurant you go in, the food standard is very high, and a variation is really good. So you'll always find something to have each night. Yeah, that's good, and yeah, we'll definitely come back. So this is the end of the review. Thanks for watching, and please, as this is quite fresh in our minds, if you wanted to know anything, please drop us a message below, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can with any answers to your questions. But yeah, definitely recommend this hotel, and once again, thanks for watching.